Hello guys, that welcome to that coding bro. Now let's start today's video. Uh, today our video. Now write a C program to read the name as input and display hello followed by the input name. Means if I enter to the computer that coding bro, then it should tell that hello that coding bro. Okay. Means what is the input for this program? A name. Name is given as input to the program and the program will print hello followed by that name. If the name is Ram, it will print hello Ram. If the name is Sita, it will print hello Sita. If the name is that coding bro, it will print hello that coding bro. Okay. This is the question which will take our name as input and prints that name. Okay. Now here what is first how to store a name. What is a name? Hello world. For example, think my name is that coding bro, TCB, that coding bro. Okay. What is that coding bro? Here only one T means character, right? Character. Small a to small z and capital A to capital Z are known as alphabets. These alphabets comes under characters. Here, is it a one character? Name is one character? No, right? It is a group of characters. Not a group, sequence of characters. What is meant by sequence? One followed by one. It is a group. It's like a sequence, like 1, 2, 3. Like a group of characters is known as a name. How to declare a group in array? Group means a sequence, right? Sequence means for sequence what we need to use? Arrays. It is a very interesting concept in C. I will not discuss about this concept. I will discuss about the program only. Okay. Now we need to store the name in array. Okay, but how we need to declare an array? Using square brackets, right? By using array, we need to store the name and I need to print the name. In C language, if you want to print anything, in printf, we will write some format specifiers, %d, %c, like that, right? For strings, this is nothing but sequence, right? A sequence of characters. For character, what you will write? For character C. For a number, you will write D. For a sequence of characters, we will write yes. Okay, we will write yes. So here in %d, in percentage printf, we need to write yes. Okay, now let's move on to algorithm. Let us discuss the remaining problem. Algorithm. Start the program. For every program, start the program and end the program are same. Declare a character array. Why character array? A name is a sequence of characters. So we need to declare an array to store the name. And what we need to tell prompt means we need to ask the user to enter their name. Then the user what you will do? They will enter the name. So I need to declare the name. I need to read the name from the user and I need to store in the character array. After that, what I need to do in printf, I need to print followed by the entered name and end of the program. This is the thing. Now let's move on to program. See, first hash include sto.h, int main and open braces. These things are common for every program. Now see, I am declaring a character array. What is the name of character array? Name only. What is the size? 100 means the name will be the length of up to 100. Okay. It may be 2, 1, 10, 20, 30 means Ram. What is the length? 3. Sita. What is the length? 4. The length may be anything. So maximum 100. So I took character array. Array means as I told square brackets. So character name of size 100. Okay. Now I am telling the user printf. Printf is used to tell the user enter your name. Then what he will do? He will enter the name. And by using scanf, I am storing that name into name. Okay. Now I am telling hello followed by their name, %s for name. After that, one exclamatory purpose just for telling that hello, like that, surprising. Now if I enter that coding bro, then I will get hello, comma, that coding bro, exclamatory mark. This is output. As we question read, we need to take the input as name and we need to print the name followed by hello followed by the name. This is a program. Now I will execute the program and I will show you the output. I am opening GDB online compiler. You can see this online compiler. Now I am running the program. See, as same program I copied and paste the program. See, it is asking enter your name. I am telling that my name is that coding bro. Clicking enter. See, hello, that coding bro with one exclamatory mark. Why exclamatory mark? In printf I kept one exclamatory mark, so it is printing exclamatory. In case of hello, it is printing hello. In case of percentage yes, it is printing the real name. This is the use of percentage yes. Okay, this is the program. I hope you all people got this answer and you are very happy by getting this. If you are very happy, share your things in comments. Let me know. If you are sad, let me know. I will change my PPTs and style in upcoming video. If you want anything, add in the comments. Comment is a way to communicate you and me. Okay, or you ping me in the mail. In my YouTube channel there is a mail, you can ping me, or just you comment in YouTube. I will get to know what is the thing, any wrong or something. I will answer you in comments. Okay, bye.